Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Mr. Antoine. I'm Mr. Antoine, and today our topic is expanding algebraic expressions with a fractional factor. That's a lot. Well, let's deal with a factor first. Factor is a number that generally it's a number that's multiplied to give you the answer, the product. So for example, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 and 3 are factors that make up the 6. This time we're dealing with a fractional factor, so that means our factors are going to be where one of them is going to be a fraction, and in general, this right here, for this situation, this is the other factor, 21a plus 49. Okay, so let's now do the multiplication. All right, we'll talk about expanding in a minute. We're going to use the distributive property in order for us to expand this expression. So we're going to multiply 1/7 times 21, and we're going to multiply 1/7 times 49. Okay, so that's giving us an idea. The arrows give us the idea of what we're going to do. So let's do the multiplication. Okay, we're going to have 1/7 multiplied to 21, and we're going to turn that into a fraction, making it 21 over 1. That's multiplied with a. I'm going to put a big plus sign to show we're going to add this. 2, and now we're going to multiply 1/7 is now multiplied to 49 over 1. Okay. Now you take a look, we did the distributive property, and there's a lot going on here. So what I'm going to do is put parentheses around this set that we're going to do, that, and we're going to put parentheses around here. All right. Okay, notice, see the expansion? So we've expanded this algebraic expression by making it now into 2 parentheses, or 2 sets of multiplication we're going to do. Okay, so let's handle the first one. Now, the easiest way to do the multiplication with fractions is just to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators, and finally simplify if it can be simplified. So let's do the first set. It's going to be 1 times 21, which is 21, and 7 times 1 is 7. So we have 21 over 7, a, okay? And if we do the next set, we have 1 times 49 is 49, and 7 times 1 is 7. Okay, let's remember to keep our plus sign there. And if you take a look, we can now do the division of 21 divided by 7. We could also do the division of 49 divided by 7. Let's start with this. 21 divided by 7 will give me 3. So I'm left with 3a. And I have 49 divided by 7, which gives me 7. And remember the plus sign that was there in the center of it all. So now what I finally come to is simplifying it to an expression of 3a plus 7. So what I started with was 1/7 multiplied to 21a plus 49, and then I come to 3a plus 7. Okay, now that's how we expand algebraic expressions. Okay, in this case, it has a fractional factor. Now I want to show you something else. Same type of question, or the same question done again, but this time we're going to do another thing. This may be familiar with a lot of people. It's this term called cross canceling. Yes, cross canceling. See a happy face. Cross canceling. Let me take this paper out from underneath. Is just that we're doing another way where we could, instead of multiplying the numerator and denominator, we could cancel out certain terms inside here, so that therefore we can do the multiplication a bit more easier. So now we look at the first set, in this parentheses, I see that I have 7 here and 21. Now 7 can divide into these two numbers. 7 goes into 7 one time, and 7 goes into 21 3 times. If I look at the second set of parentheses, I have 7 can also go into 7, and 7 can go into 49. 7 goes into 7 one time, and 7 goes into 49 7 times. So now I'm going to do my multiplication with the new numbers I have here. Okay, 1 times 3 is going to give me 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. So that will give me 3 over 1a, right? Remember the plus here. And I got now 1 over 7 is 7, and 1 times 1 is 1, which is 7 over 1. And we know we can simplify that easily to just making it 3a plus 7. Okay. Again, you could use cross canceling, or if you feel you want to do the multiplication within the fraction, you could do it by multiplying the numerators and denominators. That's what you can do as well. Okay, let's do one more example. In this one, we're going to see that sometimes you won't necessarily have to simplify the fraction. Okay, sometimes you may just have to leave it as it is. So let's take a look at this one. All right, I have my fractional factor of 2 over 5, and it's being multiplied to 3t minus 20. Okay, so again, do the distributive property, and we're just doing the arrows to remind us what I'm going to be multiplying the 2/5 with. So I'm going to multiply 2/5 times 3 over 1t, big minus sign, and I'm going to do 2 over 5 multiplied to 20 over 1. Okay, again, let's put the parentheses to let us know that we're going to work on these two sets. All right, again, we've expanded these out. And so now let's do the math in the first set of parentheses. It's going to be 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 times 1 is 5. So you're going to have 6 over 5t. Okay, if you take a look, that can't be simplified. We can turn it to a mixed number, but it's okay if you leave it as an improper fraction. That's fine too. And now we're going to have, again, big minus sign. And we have 2 times 20 is 40. And 5 times 1 is 5. Now this one can be simplified because we know 40 divided by 5 is going to give me 8. So I can simplify, I can leave this one as 6 over 5t, and minus 40 divided by 5 is going to give me 8. And there you go. All right, you have 6 over 5t minus 8. For the person that likes to put it in mixed number form, you would have that would be 6 over 5 would come out to be 1 1/5 t minus 8. Okay, so there you have it. So this is how we would handle expanding algebraic expressions when we have a fractional factor. Okay, hope that was helpful. Everybody enjoy, have a great one. Love and peace to you.